to you 1,000 times. I told you everything, you know my feelings. It never crossed my mind that there would be a time for us to say goodbye. What a big surprise. I'm not lost, I'm not gone, I haven't forgot. These feelings I can't shake no more. These feelings are running out the door. I can feel it falling down, and I'm not coming back around. These feelings I can't take no more. This emptiness in the bottom drawer, it's getting harder to pretend, and I'm not coming back around again. Remember when I remember when it was together till the end. Now I'm alone again. Where do I begin? I cried a little bit, you died a little bit. You say there's no regret inside